So I have the acorn CNC lathe on this. It's not a Raspberry Pi, it's BeagleBone. Acorn CNC. I have the Hardinge lathe. I have the, I think they call that a pendant. The turret. And all the cross slides. So what I want to do is I want to be able to move the turret in and out and change the tool. I want to be able to do X, Y of this cross slide on here. And I want to have 6 inches of travel. That's the goal. I have low, stop, high, reverse, stop, forward. So I have these, which I'm going to turn into inputs on here so I know those switches are closed. I have this relay board and I can do 10 amps at 120 volts according to the specifications. So at 125 volts AC I can do 10 amps through each of those. So I can fire 1, 2, 3 phases. I can fire the 3 phases through there because 10 amps, oh, you gotta check inrush current on a motor. I don't think I can run a motor off of that to stop a motor. I don't think I can, but I will look into it. But I would like to do the VFD that drives this. That turret, in and out, tool change, and then cross slide. I think it'll be pretty cool.